Hello everyone, Piotr here, Peter. Guys, so in this episode I will try to stick to about 10 minutes-ish, and I'd like to explain what we're doing, what we're trying to achieve. Underneath the video I will paste those two links, Book Repair Online and the other one, so that you can go and look yourself. Okay, so I will log in. Yes, log in as a I've switched on again because normally the repair manager is off, but this is just to show you what it is. Yes, so you can book your repairs. You can book your repairs from the URL link, and that's the software to book in repairs, all sorts of repairs, not only electronics but in general. And we will sign up companies. These are these addresses are not real addresses, yes, so it's okay. And what I want to say is this software will allow us to cooperate with book repair shops, with repair shops, all sorts, IT, electronics and others as well. Now each booking, as you see here, let's get the URL from this company. Yes, I will copy URL, and now you can log out, for instance. Yes, you can log in. I've got here Fissner-IT on book repair. Yes, so if I would book through that would be the case, but I can't show you the details of the. I'll put my number 07454919021. Priority low, medium, because high might have additional fee. So yes, book. You see, you've got two messages here. Your booking has been successful. If you wish to track it online, have a history of it, and chat with our business, please follow the link in your email from bookrepair.online.co.uk. If you can't find it in your inbox, please check spam junk folder as well. So there's a wee animation here. I know that you can't see, but now you can see it's a wee animation here. Yes, you can click it. Okay, and now when you go to your dashboard, yes, for instance, you will see, as a repair shop, you will see that PlayStation 5. Yes, so that was 23rd here. It's even, you see, 20:59, so that's the time now. It's even responsive on a small devices, mobile devices, so it's done the proper way. Yes, and then you can scroll and have details of it, everything. So it is ready software to use. Now what we're doing is, as a repair shops, we are able to, you see, assign to myself. Yes, I can assign it. Then it was shifted to undergoing work, and then in the undergoing work. And now, sorry, I had to make a wee pause. So yes, so now this job is in the undergoing work. Yes, I can put some internal information which customer won't see, like for myself. Yes, for understanding of the process of the work, whatever, you know. If you want to be funny, so we can put clusterfuck. Another repair, yeah, but it was a total clusterfuck. So you can save it. Yes, you can go back to it, you know, later, at a later stage. You can go back to those details and you will have this here. If you will edit it, you see it's still there. So that's what it is. And then you can set it as completed or reject this booking because you've seen it, then you don't want to repair it. Yes, and you went and you see that it's either no parts or not worth to do or just anything. Yes, and then if you click completed, it will shift it to the completed work here. Yes, and I see that we've got a wee error which I haven't seen before, so I need to check what it is, but it's okay, it will be done because it was working fine. I can't tell you because the fictional, not the proper data, but the fictional data, you know, the one which is like fake, it's not always working the right way, whereas on my account it's working fine. Yeah, so I need to check later and but it was fine today, so it will be fine as well. We've got a chat as well. We can communicate with customers. Yes, you see, you can communicate with all your customers one by one or create a group for communication, and client can communicate as well with you. Now, as a last thing, because it's 2 past already, so login as a client now. Okay, now that, yeah, so I know what the last error was. Here is the old API from Stripe card payment processor, yes, and that's why you can't see it. So I remember I've created another account, and we can go to that account. It should be here, yeah, this one. This should work. So here will load, and your e-wallet current balance, you know, it's 0. You can make a deposit, new deposit, yes. Here at the terms and conditions, which we are building now, so you can't read them, and then you can create the pay, and you can deposit yourself money, yes, and you can do it so that you will save up. There is a fee. Stripe is really cheap, and then you can wipe this fee as well, to be true, by joining our loyalty program, by inviting others, yes. So then whatever you overpay now, you can save up later. Now, from the money which you've got in e-wallet will be always cheaper repairs. So that's mean the shops, the repair shops. If you're using your repair from e-wallet, yes, that will be always cheaper. So that's what it is. Here I will explain everything what the e-wallet is. I didn't have time yet, so I haven't done it. And here you've got your book repairs, yes, so that's what it is. You've got all the details and so on. That's my phone number, of course. So that's what it is, yes. So the book repair software is working. I need to change the logo and so on, because that's everything in the admin panel. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it, yes. Yeah, that's 4 past. So let me only go to the Inteteam. You see those toxic colors? These are done in the right way. They should be like that, yes. And only here the plug will be changed to British one, because my friend who's a graphic designer, he didn't think that through, and he created, you know, like a European or Italian style. So here is as well e-wallet, but this app is developed by many people, and here inside this app I don't have the newest code, unfortunate. I'll log in by, okay, this guy is okay, can log in. Clusterpack, but that's on the admin. Here is a member. Oh, sorry guys, it's just that it should be member / member, yes. And here you've got as well e-wallet, yes. You've got your user profile. So that don't look at the details, because that doesn't, you know. And now follow is working on the newest code. Here is not working. You would have normally notification, but I didn't download the newest code. I don't want to go, because then I need to migrate the database, etc., etc. So I don't want to do it. You can message the person because you've got a chat, so it's not a problem. You can search for users, literally, like, and it is working, yes. But because here, you know, I don't have the newest code, it's not working. You've got my addresses. Even you've got a Google Place ID, so you can direct your driver to the exact location when your address on the Google Maps showing elsewhere, yes. So that's safe hassle with a delivery. And then you've got membership, you've got my devices, what devices you're using, and you might ask me now why we've got 2 softwares which are doing pretty much the same. Okay, and I'll explain you that, because that's really important. Book Repair Online is the first part of the right to repair. What it is that at Book Repair Online, it's mainly focused at the repair shops which want to work as an individual. So I want to be the shop, and I want to have my white label, so I want to use my URL to show to my customers, and I don't want these customers to see other repair shops, yes, only my shop, and they can book repairs over there. Whereas at Inteteam, we merge all the repair shops into Inteteam, yes, that cooperating with, and then what's happening is that you can search for all the repair shops in your area, and you can pick whichever you want, yes. So that's the basic difference in between. But Inteteam is far bigger. Inteteam will have sort of Facebook, YouTube, yes, And fingers crossed, you know, we will still develop it further and we will have Netflix and other stuff on it, yes. But you know, everything which we can code here, we can, and we will do it. Now what it is here is full e-commerce web store coded, yes. So you are able to go to the shop here, /shop, and it's just more and more to be coded. We just count, we just can't yet do everything because it's months and months of coding. So before we will do into team, we need to first finish bug repair online. And when we will finish the bug repair online right now, we will be slowly developing it, but our main focus will be Inteteam, yes? And then Inteteam should launch in the next few months. So now we need members who will be our clients and our repair shops. I'm signing up contracts with suppliers at the moment. iParts, and we're finishing the recording. It won't take long now. iParts for you. That's one of the largest UK suppliers which I found, which is trusted. That means you won't buy poor quality parts from them. They are signing up contract now with Samsung. They've got, I think, already a contract with Apple, so they've got the spare parts straight from them. So the quality is here, but the prices are okay. And for sure you'd rather fix with good parts than, you know, parts which might be faulty in a week or not even start the phone, and then you come back again for the repair because actually it didn't work, yes. So here is the quality. It's on a Trustpilot. Look how well they are. It's 4.7 on a Trustpilot. So that will be our one of the suppliers for the spare parts. And that's what it is. It takes a lot of coding. So if you can help us by becoming a client, by subscribing for £10 per month, or you would like to share it with your friends and you can't subscribe for £10 per month, then that's okay, yes. If you know more details only about the subscription, how the money are working in the company, you know exactly, then I can record additional video to that, and that's not a problem. But I didn't want to take too much of your time. That's why I wanted to first show you the websites, how far we went with coding, and then you can understand better, you know, where we are at the moment. Yes, it's a huge project. We're trying to reach 1 million of members and then go to those big companies and say, either you give us opportunity to fix your devices on our terms, or we're just creating you competition to the level that pretty much customers want to have fixable devices, and they will have with us, yes. So either you give us a hope by providing this, and we use our £1 million per month to create vertical farms, to create better, let's say, better food, yes, to have a healthy food, and we're going into that direction at the moment. And plus we're creating recycling centers of electronics for people who want to learn fixing electronics, that they can work over there by soldering stuff and finding issues. And those recycling centers will help us with e-waste as well. So we will do that, or you don't help us and we just literally use this money and we produce electronic devices which are fixable, and everyone from us will benefit, yes. So that will be the choice for those big companies, if either they are with us or they are against us, yes, against people, against you, against me, against everyone. And we will give them a choice. Hopefully they will be on our side, yes, because we are growing to be huge, and then we can call each other through the Inteteam mobile network. Guys, I took more minutes than I thought. Unfortunately, you see, it is what it is. It is 14 minutes. I thought I can do it in 10. But thank you for watching. Let's go on to the mission. If you can afford £10 per month, brilliant. If you can't afford £10 per month, but you can share it with your friends, get back to me. I'll send you the details required so that you and your friends can help us to become 1 million member club at Inteteam, Integrity Team. Guys, thank you. See you in the next video, hope. Take care. Bye-bye.